Yeah, hi everybody, Levi Clay here, and I'm aware you can't see my face, but there's a good reason for that. I'm wanting to do some Delta Blues slide guitar in promotion for my new book, Delta Blues Slide Guitar, available on Amazon, link in the description. And yeah, when I recorded the audio for that book, I did it all using this resonator guitar, so that meant that I could be surrounded by microphones and get a good recording of the guitar. When it comes to doing videos, that's a lot trickier because I want you to see the guitar and not all of the microphones in front of it. So I've got a microphone off camera here, and that's picking up my voice and the guitar, hopefully. So yeah, that little intro lick is a lick taken from the book, and yeah, it's very much in that kind of Sylvester Weaver style, the guy that recorded the first ever instrumental slide guitar piece, Guitar Rag, which I do actually teach in the book. Anyway, yeah, so relatively simple lick. I'm going to take you through it now. It's worth pointing out I'm in open D tuning. So this lick will work in any variant of that tuning, open E or Joey Landreth's open C. It's going to work absolutely fine. Yeah, so let's take a look at the lick. So first of all, you have to get to grips with the pedal that's on the low 3 strings. We're just hitting that open 6th string and then that open 4th string. And that's the lifeblood of the lick, that's our pulse. So you have to get really comfortable with just doing that. Then we're bringing the slide into action. Now, what you want to get to grips with is being able to play a note on the high E string, anywhere, and still be able to play those 2 notes. So in order to do that, I don't have the slide across the entire set of strings. I don't even have the slide flat against the neck. I've actually angled the slide away from the neck just a little bit, and that's enough to keep that open D string there. So keeping that slide angled slightly will help dramatically with this lick. So the first thing you're going to want to get to grips with is playing the 12th fret at on the high D string. And you can slide into that. And pitching that can be difficult. And just keeping those bass notes ringing. Put a bit of vibrato on there if you like. And the lick, really all it does is it keeps that bass part moving and then descends a major pentatonic scale. So that would be the 12th fret, the 9th fret, then the 7th fret, and then we're sliding into the 4th, picking the open string, and then to finish I actually use my first finger to play the 2nd fret on the 2nd string, pull off to the open string, and then end with that open string, open high string. So that's the basic melody. So not the trickiest melody. You will want to spend some time with that. The real tricky aspect is playing the 2 things together, right? The bass part and that melody. So what I would recommend doing is first getting to grips with playing a melody note on the beat like this. Maybe alternate between the 12th and the 9th fret. And then you want to force yourself to play the 2nd of those melody notes on an upstroke or an upbeat, if you like. So play the bass note and then the melody. So not the trickiest thing in the world. And maybe you just practice that first part. Gotta get that in tune. That's the tricky part of slide guitar, right? And then from there, now the first melody is on the beat, then on the beat again, on the beat. We then play the 4th string and end off the beat. Now when we tie those two things together, those are the basic skills that you're going to need to get together in order to play guitar rag, which is that. Anyway, you get the idea. So there we have it, a relatively simple slide guitar lick, just using open strings on the bass side and a simple melody on that high string. Hopefully you enjoyed that. If you did, you can check out my new book, which is Delta Blues Slide Guitar. As I said at the beginning, there is a link to that in the description on the Amazon region of your choice. If you have any questions about this book or anything else relating to slide guitar or anything music related or life related, please do hit me up in that comments section below. Of course, you can check me out further by hitting the subscribe button, which is up here. You can check me out on Patreon by clicking the button down here somewhere, and you'll see 2 more videos here and here. There'll be some cool content in there. One of them is a promo for my new book, so that's probably worth checking out. Thank you so much for all the support, guys, and yeah, let me know how you get on with the book, and I'll see you for another video soon. Bye.